Guys, welcome back again to my channel. On today's video I am making lemon and increases weight loss. I'm done cutting. I'm going to put it in the jug. Here it is. I'm going to set this aside and now start to cut the lemon. So here is my lemon. I'm going to cut it into circle shape as well. Tiny circle shape. So I'm done cutting. I'm going to add this here as well. Here it is. So my mint leaves, I'm going to add it there. So let's add some water. So here, let me add water. Here is my salt. I'm going to add it now. If you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please press on the subscribe button and remember to click on that bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm going to take a spoon to mix it together. I'm just going to mix everything together. Here is my lemon and cucumber detox water. I'm going to allow all of the ingredients to infuse into the water properly before this detox drink will be ready. My lemon and cucumber detox water is now ready. You can have it in the morning to cleanse your system. It's very super effective and easy. My lemon and cucumber detox water is now ready. I'm just going to have a drink. This tastes so good and is very refreshing. If you try this recipe, let me know on the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and share to families and friends. I would really appreciate it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Goodbye.